Welcome to BotBee. In this video we will show you how to create a persistent menu and icebreaker for Instagram. Let's get started. First go to BotBee dashboard. In left side menu select Bot Manager under Instagram. And then select Get Started Settings. The Instagram Icebreaker option allows businesses to set up predefined questions that appear at the beginning of a conversation in Messenger, encouraging users to start a chat. Enable the icebreaker now. Now you can create the questions menu. You can select the reply message template from list, or you can create new one. Back to Icebreaker and click Refresh. Now you can select newly created one from list. Click Save Settings. That's it, now Icebreaker created successfully. Now we will see how to create persistent menu. Select Persistent Menu option. And then click Create button. We can add up to 11 menu items on the persistent menu. Now go to Option, and select Publish Persistent Menu. That's it, persistent menu published successfully. Let's check the live demo. Now you can see the created icebreaker questions. In right top corner, you will see the persistent menu. When you click you will see the list of persistent menu we created. Thank you for watching the video.